National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Alamance County, Orange County, Durham County, northern Chatham County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50
This one
p.m.,
has not
a severe
only
thunderstorm
half dollars
was
I
located
feel,
10 miles
but
west
70
of
miles an
Scarborough,
hour
or
gusts.
11 miles southeast of Graham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Durham, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Graham, Hillsborough, Pittsboro, Siler City, Carrboro, Melbourne, and Ridgemont. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 163 and 182. Interstate 40 between mile markers 147 and 162, and between mile markers 259 and 278. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 386 and 378. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across southern Guilford and Alamance counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, and Orange.